get their name from their job, routing vermin from rock piles, which are called cairns on Scottish farmland. And of course, the cairn terrier. The best known cairn terrier is Toto.
Wizard of Oz, exactly. We are thrilled to announce that while we're watching the Cairn Terrier take its walk, that Purina has agreed to continue using this